So welcome guys to another video. In today's video we're going to be covering like the little loose bits that I've got to do in the interior, which is cleaning it all up, putting some soundproofing down, putting the original soundproofing down, carpets, just bits and bobs, the rear bench, unpacking the rear bench, which I haven't even unpacked it. This is what it looks like. It's just I still haven't seen the condition of them. Also I'm going to get around to hopefully fitting these wheel arch liners, and I'll show you what's been done so far. So I've kind of just started to put some of this stuff down, flashing tape. So I'm going to put some down here. You don't have to put it all over the whole floor. It's just basically what this does. Actually, it changes. You put some weight on the panels and it changes the sound of the panel, or it dulls the sound off with the vibration. So adding weight to the panel is actually the key. So I'm just going to put some along there. I'm going to start cleaning and see some cleaning products in there. I've started to give that a clean as well, so I can kind of fit the rear carpet on first, put the rear bench on, the boot carpet. I've also given the carpet a clean and stuff, as well as maybe if I get a chance after all the cleaning, which I hate doing. This is an intercooler from Mark 4 Golf 150 ARL PD, and I've looked and it looks like I could potentially get it to fit. I don't know if any of you guys have actually got this to work. If you can leave anything in the comments please, to kind of, or you know, how you've done this, if it's been done before. It looks like it can fit, just have to kind of draw some holes on the side, as well as I need to get some connectors for the inlet and the outlet of the intercooler. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is the boot mat. This was the right state. This is not originally from the car, I got this from another car. So what I do, I go through like 4 stages. So I vacuum clean it, then I jet wash it down. Then once it's been jet washed down, I let it dry for a bit, and then I get some carpet cleaner and a brush, and I just wash it all down, get it all foamy, get it all done. Jet wash it down again. Once it's kind of almost dry, kind of touch dry almost, I vacuum clean it again, because there's a lot of sand here in Portugal, so I just take off all the sand and all the bits that are off, that's still kind of embedded in it. And you get to like this, as you can see, back to its original colour, looking really nice on both sides. Still got the sticker. Perfect. So now that I've done the soundproofing, we can actually go and fit this on. Okay, so let's unwrap these, see what they're like. They've been sitting in storage for a while. Got a bit of storage marks. Just put some cream on that. Oh wow, need to clean these up. That's what happens when you leave leather in storage for such a long time. So I need to give this a good clean. Let me see what so these are the bases, or no, that's a base and that's a back, and this should be another base and another back as well. Yep, the headrest looks good. Also, not every single colour concept came with rear headrests, so it's quite nice to have rear headrests as well. Okay, yep, these are a lot better actually. They've got no moisture in them. Yep, these look really good. So this is a small and it's a thing. So actually what I'll do is, okay, I'm really excited to get these fitted in. So let's go. Okay guys, so let's give this a clean. So what we're gonna start off with, just gonna get a damp cloth with some cleaning power. Look at that. So what we're going to do now is just going to dry it off. With a microfiber. This leather is over 25 years old almost. It's a bit hard, so what I'm going to do is then put some leather cream, just soak it in some leather cream. Okay, that's come up a treat. Now I'm just going to dry it off with a microfiber. Make sure it's nice and dry. This is some leather cream. Gonna be generous with this. And then just work it in. Look at that. It's already looking a lot different. Then let me just wipe off all this excess. And I'll repeat this, I'm going to probably repeat this a few more times actually, so that the leather softens up over time. Won't do it straight away. If you put too much, you get too soft and too baggy. But if you just do it just a matter of time, it takes the little creases out. Look at that, looks amazing. I can't wait to fit it on now. So okay guys, who knew it would take this long? I was hoping to get the wheel arch liners done and start looking at the intercooler, but unfortunately this took so long, cleaning it and prepping it all up. It literally took quite a lot longer than I was expecting, but at least it's in now and it feels very different. The rear bench is in, both carpets are in, the central console is in. Looks really, really good now. I mean, this gear shift, look how short that is. It's really, really nice. I'm really looking forward to driving this. I'm inching closer and closer to it. These are the jobs that are tedious, long-winded, and just take forever. So in the next video, I will actually do the ECU is going to be done. So I'm going to show you what's going to be done with the ECU and the map sensor to increase the boost pressure, and take it off to and drop it off to DD Motorsport, as well as the wheel arch liners. I'll get around to doing that small job, and start looking at the intercooler and start mounting up that PD 150 Mark IV front intercooler, and also maybe start running the wiring as well for the headlights and the wipers and stuff like that. So yeah, so keep watching, subscribing. Thanks for supporting. There's loads more content that I know you guys are going to want to see and see this project to completion. There will be another few other videos on Mark IIs coming as well soon. Cheers, be safe.